Hey guys, I hope all is well. My name is Akaya. I thank you for clicking on my video. If this is your first time checking out my video, welcome. If this is your second or third time, I truly appreciate the support. Go ahead and press that like and subscribe button because I would love for all you guys support. It really helps my videos get far. Today, I'll be showing you guys how I install fake nails, fake toenails at that. Yes, fake toenails. When I first heard about this, I was like, oh my God, this sounds so crazy. But when I say I freaking love them, I first found out about them through a YouTuber named Mary Kay Bella. Shout outs to you, girl. Thanks for posting these. When I say these are the best since sliced bread, now I am showing you the glue that I'm using. So just go ahead and watch. I did not use the glue that was inside the toenails. I purchased my own glue. Again, it was the Kiss glue. You find it all over the place, nail glue. I like to put it on my toes first. And then I didn't show it in here though, but put it on the actual nail too. Don't put a lot, just a little bit, and you don't got to worry about it sliding all over the place. And as soon as you put it on there, it stay. So again, that's just a tip. But again, just follow me, check this out. And if you do try this, which I hope you do, make sure you guys um, leave a comment and let me know how it went. But check this out, okay? Don't forget to subscribe for more.
Makeup necessity in the bathroom, sir.
I'm getting hungry, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and order me some escargot.
Oh, well, you can't eat that here. You need to escargot.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. You know what? I don't even have. Bye.
Bye. Love you, friend.
Have fun putting in your litter box.
Oh, I forgot.
Now just choose which one works for you. I'll go off play off the ones I already got.
Pheromones. 1, 2, or 3. 9 of you chose
What you do is
Dylan.
you take it and you sand it a little bit. Sand it a little bit. And then you put it on.
Go on a date with me tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Es ist schwierig für mich. Ich
Take
möchte am
your
Ende nicht enttäuscht werden.
glue.
Eita,
Just polish it.
é o Kalil e a japonesa. Vendo ela agora junto com ele, me despertou um certo ciúmes. Eu vou enganar ele. Eu quero ele.
You put it on. Put glue on all of them. You find what toenail works for your toes, and just keep on going. That's how simple it is, and I love it.
Later today, I'm going on a date with Sarah. I know Tula is worried, so I want to spend a little
So
time.
you don't got to use a lot of glue.
I want to let her know that as of right now, I do still have an
Okay.
interest in her.
So we got
But she
one.
also has to understand
Let's
there's
do
still some
another.
time left in this experiment for me and Tala to keep getting to know each other. But today, Sarah deserves my 100% full attention. She's that girl.
And what you want to do is go ahead and put them all out already, so you don't have to do this
I'm looking
as you do
for
it.
someone who's sincere, who I can trust and love. Sara le tenía el pie arriba a Dylan. Toda la noche. Gracias. Muchas gracias. Arigatou gozaimasu.
What else? Garlic? How do you say that? Garlic gun?
Aninика.
Aminika? Ninika? Ninika.
And then what you can do is how cute they looking
And
already.
separated from everyone. And this is so much fun.
My name's just Brass Arm. Arm.
Brazo. Me gusta que I like that he is super open to learning Spanish. So he's always asking, how do you say this? Vela, vela.
Bella.
Dice, déjate envolver por el aroma sensual.
Oh, salsa? Oh, you say like candle dance salsa?
I think you're romantic, maybe you say? Yeah, like I read a poem to you, you see? We'll do it. Okay.
Mira, me gustó este, el blanco.
Oh, see. I like already there is connection, there's feeling.
Baila. Baila, faz beber.
Olha fora. I am very competitive. Very, 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 very competitive. Eu acredito que nesse jogo a gente. I believe in this game we're practicing competitiveness and how competitive you are with each other and how far you go to win.
Salud.
Cuéntame de tu familia.
Oh, me, like, oh, Ukraine and.
The first thing you want to do is go ahead and see which for each nail, lay them out, and then go in and put them on separately. That makes it so much easier. Go ahead and have them laid out. I did that with these, but with these I kind of was just, I didn't. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and kind of sand it a little bit, make it to your liking. And if you don't have a little electric one like this, you can just use a nail file. That'll work too. And I purchased all this stuff from Amazon. And I wanted white polish, so I got the white ones. You can get whatever color you want, whatever style you want. I'm really liking these toenails. I didn't find them out till Mary Kay Bella. I think that's her name. I've seen a video she doing now. And I was like, I gotta try them, and I love them. And the true reason why I tried these is because when I use gel polish, my toenails always somehow break off really, really easy. My big toenail always break off really easy. So I'm gonna try to see if wearing these will make it so much better. Because gel polish don't do well on my toenails, but I love the longevity of the gel polish. So hopefully these work. So you can put them however you want them. If you like square tips, you get square tips. Or you can just put them on your like do this. All right, guys. There we go. Let you see them. They came out pretty. They come with so many different sizes inside of here. And be careful not to make a mistake and put them on the wrong side, because when I got them, I spilled them. So they just all over the place. But I like how you got them sectioned off. And again, like I said, go ahead and get all of the pop the toenails out first that fit your toes before you even glue it. Lay them all out, put your left, put your right, and then just go ahead and glue them. It makes it so much easier. And then afterwards, put you some cuticle oil on your feet and you are good to go. And you guys know I purchased this nail glue. It's the Kiss nail glue, the Power Flex. They already had some nail glue in here, but I just used my own. And they also got a nail file in here too, so if you don't have that electric one like I got, you can use this too. But I would probably buy another one though, just to make sure that your nails are the way that you want them to be. Hopefully that helped you. Okay, follow for more. What I did first, y'all, is I actually wore my toenails for about a week. I just wanted to make sure that I liked them. They didn't come off fast. So on my right foot, I had some I had the actual nails on, and the other foot I didn't. Just wanted to see how it went. It went well. I had it on for a whole week. It didn't come off at all. I just didn't want to put all 10 toenails on there and have to get them off, and didn't like them. But so far, so good. Again, the reason why I wanted to wear these, because when I wear my gel polish, I love the gel polish, but every time it's time to take them off, it always break my toenails off, like real bad, from the quick. It's usually always the big one or the small one. So I'll keep you guys posted how this go when it's time for removal. Okay, follow and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.
I can't believe people